What's up, curl friends? Welcome back to the channel. It's Elaina, aka Lady Smash, and I'm back today with another video. Alright y'all, so we are definitely batch filming. I'm trying to knock this content out and get it out to you guys. So pardon the same clothes. You might have seen this shirt in a previous video and hairstyle in a previous video, but never mind that. I'm here to bring you the content, right? So if you're new here, hey girl, hey, I hope you stay. Definitely go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you're into natural hair product reviews, Ayurveda, a little bit of crafting, and family life, mom life, okay? Mom life, wife life, you know what it is. Definitely hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if any of that interests you, so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. All right, let's get into this one. All right, y'all, so you know I said I wasn't buying any more curl boxes, right? I'm holding true to my word, but I did buy one last curl box back in, was it July? I want to say, maybe, I think it was in July. I bought this curl box, but I haven't bought any more since. All right, but when I heard that this was coming out, it was told to me after I had originally said, which was probably in May or June, that I wasn't going to be buying any more curl boxes. And then lo and behold, we found out that Soultanicals and I think Mish was another curl box, you know, that were coming to the website. And so, well, I did get the Mish. Y'all saw that video, I believe, already. But y'all didn't see the Soultanicals box. So I haven't really seen any videos of girls doing unboxing of the Soultanicals curl box. So I'm going to bring it to you today. I know it's a couple months late, but I'm still going to show y'all, okay? So this is how it came, okay, in the orange box. And so let's get into this. We have the lovely Ayo on the card, okay, and this is the inside. She is just absolutely stunning. Look at the other side. She's absolutely stunning. Beautiful hair. All right, and so the curl box came like this, the black tissue paper, and with all these products. So let's get into what each one is. Now y'all know this is going to be great for me because, like I said before, I am into Ayurveda and I'm trying to incorporate it a lot more into my routine. So I can't wait to get my hair with these products in them. So let's see what the first one is. Oh, this is a good one that I've heard about. This is the Hibiscus Hair Healer, the Healthy Scalp Butter Shampoo. I've heard really good things about this one. Super excited to try it. Super excited to try this one. It has hibiscus, amla, and carrot seed oil. Let's see. How will this moisturizing cleanser benefit my hair and scalp? The AHAs in hibiscus sloughs off, the AHA in hibiscus sloughs off all the dirt and chemicals causing damage and rehydrates the hair's keratin fibers. It also contains plenty of amino acids which add much needed strength and elasticity to the hair. Amla stimulates and strengthens the hair. Magnesium oil dissolves, builds up in the hair and follicles caused by hard water. And Moroccan clay detoxifies and deep cleanses the scalp and hair. So, can't wait to use that. Next we have the Holy Henna Healing Hair Antenna Deep Conditioning Caramel Gloss with Amla, Henna, and Agave Nectar. That sounds wonderful. That sounds really wonderful. Let's see what it says. How do we use this product? Part the hair into sections. Apply the Holy Henna gloss onto freshly cleaned, detangled strands. Cover hair with a plastic cap and place a warm Cotton towel over the plastic cap for best results. The warmth will penetrate the hair shaft, enhancing its Ayurvedic nourishing benefits. Leave on for 1 hour or overnight. Rinse and style as usual. Yeah. Super excited for that. That sounds really good. This is called Aloe Be Thy Mane Ayurvedic Hair Gel with aloe juice, marshmallow, argan, and hibiscus. So this is a styler. This looks very loose though. I don't know what kind of hold this is gonna give, but it's a gel. So I'm interested to see how that is gonna work. That is very, very loose. Very loose. Okay. Next up we have the Hair Shed Volumizing Root Spread Tea Spritzer Herbal Leave-In. Oh, I love teas. I love teas for the hair. So this, oh my gosh. I have a feeling I might be, let me see if y'all see that. I have a feeling that I might be already gonna be buying this again. I love teas for my hair. My hair really likes them. And then the last product in the box is the Heat, Sage, and Love Soulvedic Hot Oil Treatment with neem, black oil seed, and sage. Yes, we love a good hot oil treatment. We love to see it. And so with the summer kind of wrapping up, I'm definitely going to be getting back into my Ayurvedic challenge with my other products, okay? But definitely going to be diving into these as well. I really, really enjoy Ayurveda. I find that it's very beneficial to my hair, and my hair loves it. So I can't wait to use these products. So let me know in the comments down below if you bought the Soultanicals Curlbox back in July, I think it was. And have you started using the products already, or are you kind of holding off like I am till when the summer is over? Like, what are you gonna do with it? Or if you've already used them, let us know in the comments which product was your favorite. Yeah, definitely let us know. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna leave it right here. All right, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Remember, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my future content, as well as the notification bell. And also give me a like on your way out if you enjoyed the video. Sending you all love, peace, and light.